project managers, Vaijayanti is back with you for situational questions tips. So yes, the biggest tip that I'm going to continue is the first step is to analyze the problem. Let us say you have outsourced some work and that vendor, that supplier just informs you today that he'll not be able to deliver on time. Does that happen on your project? On my project, it used to happen in almost every case. So what I want you to realize here is the questions are not theory questions. Imagine when such a question is there, what will you do now? Let us not get ahead with the question. What will you do? The question is saying that the vendor, today the vendor informed that he may not be able to deliver on time. What do you do on project? Do you straight away cancel the contract? Do you straight away document the lessons learned? No. You need to understand what went wrong, why the vendor is not taking my delivery on priority. For all you know, you might realize that the vendor is not paid on time and that is why he needs to find out some other work. Will it be fair? Will it be good? Will it be good for your project to cancel his project? To cancel his work? No. Cancel the contract is not the answer here. The first thing that you will do is you will talk to him. You want to analyze the problem. You want to analyze the situation. So for analyzing situation, you will talk to him and understand what is it that's wrong and then decide what is the action. Okay. So what's the lesson learned here? The lesson learned here is do not directly jump to conclusion. Think that you are the project manager the question is talking about. Stand in that project manager's shoes. Think that this is what's happening on your project. And then how are you going to solve it? You will get exactly one option that matches with how are you going to solve it practically, and that's the best answer, right? See you in the next video.